it's just a matter now of hot gun. Let's see how much wire we got, because we ain't got a lot better like that. But I'm going to sink that into that groove we did, like that. Don't know why, but I just thought it would look better. I might be wrong, because I use the hammer apparently, because I haven't been out. I'm suffering with my ankle at the moment. I've been limping like a limper. You're limping like a limper. Right, so is that long enough? Fucking hell, aye. Fucking hell, aye, man. So that's the wire sunk in. We're going to do the same down the back. Best bit of welding I've done all day. In fact, it's the only bit of welding I've done all day. Oh, that's hot. Oh. Who said you can't burn yourself on a piece of woodwork? Then that's going to fit in there, like, see? You all knew that though, didn't you? You all knew that. So we're going to cover the, no really neat read to, but I am anyway. We'll cover the wires, put a little dabby on there and push it in to where we want it, which is going to be there. You know, you can get all different colours now on these things. You might do that. You might want one. Well worth buying. Couple of bridges. I've ordered the nichrome wire. Let me just bare these. We should get something there, which we don't. Which we still don't. So obviously that's what, oh there. There you are, yeah. If there's a Chinaman out there watching, ring me. You can have the copyright. If it means you're going to do a better fucking job than you usually do. With your plastic shite. Where are you going? Negative. Blue, brown, which is actually black, is positive. This was the first one I made. You've probably seen it anyway. Which that is not nichrome. It's not nichrome wire. It's actually guitar wire. But that's all I had for the time being. Well, I'm not being funny, but now I'm being funny. Oh wow! What do you want, bud? It's the sort of it's the sort of thing we had for Christmas, you know. What do you think I got? Well, it's the sort of tree we would have had for Christmas. Well, we wasn't rich and doodle elf. always keep a bag for your rubbish. It stops you getting bollocked every 20 minutes. Have you seen a mess in your room? Yes, but it's my room. I'm supposed to have a mess in my room. I'm a man. Well, as promised, there it is. And inside there, let me stick this on the hand. In there is hopefully the I don't know length. I don't know if this is the right stuff, but there should be somebody out there that knows better than me. Let's wrap it around there. Whenever you think fit. I'll make a quick jig for this. Put that there, get the pin. And that pin should go through there. And that's it, that's in. Put it down, wrap that around a pen, and give that a quid of a. Make sure you cut the right end. Gonna hook on there. So to tension it, it's a purely matter of, I haven't done a thing on it yet. Okay, enough of Jimi Hendrix. Black. Anything you want it to be. Right, I think we're ready now. What was going on was we had a faulty switch. A real faulty switch. We haven't made a fence yet. I want to make a fence which goes that high. Whatever. So after taking it all apart, you see I've altered this. This goes straight down onto the hook now because we wasn't getting no voltage. I've done a circuit test. I did everything, but it wasn't happening. So we're going to see if it works with this walking stuff. If this is the size I want to do. So switch it on and see if it happens. So we're happy with that. I mean, fair dues, that's a pretty clean, good looking cut. Nah, it's out a bit, but all you got to do is loosen that off a bit. And move that wire over here a bit. That's square with this piece of actually it's an hard drive case, but you see what I'm trying to do, don't you? I'm going to try and hold that there and drive that through there until I can make a whatever we're fucking talking about. That's the size I want. See if we can do another one straight away. Pretty quick. This is a 9-volt transformer. You know, normal everyday phone charger, whatever. That's the size I want, about that thickness. So casting boxes are 9 inches square, so we're only going to be doing stuff about that size. Right, let me just show you before you go. So we're going to do a stab hole. Warm something up, whatever comes to hand in my case. Right, so we're going to call that the stab hole. So my idea is push that down, unhook it, go up through your hole, push that down, re-hook it, and you're ready to go. So switch on and let's have a go here. So that was the idea of the stab hole. And you can quickly make that sort of shape, or you can quickly fuck about like that. Thank you very much for watching. Right now, I can have another go. It's addictive. It's addictive. Okay, we'll do a freehand. What are you looking at? Okay. This is freehand. Gets a thumbs up.